Hi everyone, welcome to Caribbean Stitch Hub, your place for all things sewing and crocheting. I am Hannah Walcott and welcome to my channel. So, this is my first ever YouTube video and I just thought it would be fun and cool to have a Q&A session where you get to know me, who I am, and what to expect on this channel. So with no further ado, let's go. All right, so if you see me looking down, it's because I have my notepad with a few questions so that you can better get to understand me and who I am. So the first question on the list: why did you start Caribbean Stitch Hub? Dun dun dun. Okay, so initially I wanted to start this YouTube channel a couple years now, and I have finally gotten the time and the opportunity to create content for you guys. So it was something I wanted to do for a very long time. I just didn't know what it is I wanted to talk about, but now I know, and it's solid, it's deep down. I can know what I want to talk about now. So that's why I decided to start Caribbean Stitch Hub, and by the name implies I live within the Caribbean. I live in Trinidad and Tobago. So what can we expect from your channel? You can expect crocheting and sewing content. I will be merging, I'll be more creating content for beginners, but if you're an intermediate or advanced, you can definitely watch my videos. I will be teaching you tutorials on how to crochet, the different types of crochet stitches. For the beginner's guide in sewing, you'll be learning parts of your sewing machine, basically tutorials and vlogs for sure. So the question on the list is, how did you learn to crochet and sew? Story time. Actually, so when I was employed, I actually purchased a sewing machine. I have the Singer Sewing Machine 4423, and I bought this sewing machine without any prior knowledge in sewing at all. I bought this machine in faith, in faith that I would eventually learn how to sew. So after a bunch of trial and error in playing around with the machine and learning how to wind the thread and how to wind the bobbin, it was basically trial and error. A bunch of times I failed. I eventually learned how to sew the different stitches on the sewing machine, and I'm comfortable now where I'm at. How did I learn to crochet? Actually, my mom was actually creating a project. She was crocheting a project, and I observed her and I was like, Mom, I would like to learn how to crochet. And she taught me a few things, and of course I went to YouTube like you're doing with this video, and I searched up how to crochet, learn various stitches, and I was good to go. So it's a combination from trial and error and actually looking at others. What is your favorite thing to crochet or sew? Well, actually, that is a very interesting one, because in sewing, I love to sew tote bags. That's my specialty. Just working with the patterns and working with different fabrics and seeing those materials and techniques come to life. It's so amazing. So my favorite thing to sew would be a tote bag, definitely. Do you have any tips for beginners? Yes, of course, I have tips for you guys. Definitely not my pen falling. Definitely definitely don't be afraid to take risks. That's number one. Start with there's no reward without taking a risk, and that's something as I learned just by hearing entrepreneurs speak. Take no risk, there's no reward. It's definitely take a risk, try, and don't be afraid to fail. It's okay to fail. You would not get it in your first try. Nope, you would not. You get frustrated, you feel like giving up, but I would like to encourage you today, don't give up. Remember, Philippians 4 with 18, which states, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Ask God to help you along the way. Number 6, what do you do when you're not crocheting or sewing? Well, for those of you who know me already, those of you who don't know me, I am a student at the University of the Southern Caribbean, and I am pursuing a bachelor's in human resource management. So when I'm not crocheting, when I'm not sewing, I'm studying. I'm studying, and of course I'm doing like my hobbies at home, which is like cooking, etc. and helping out around the house, of course. And final question, what's one thing about you that not many people may know? That's a very interesting question. Those of you who know, you know. If you didn't know, now you will know. My high school friends would know this. I was a prefect in high school for 2 years. Or a head girl in some countries would say. I was a prefect. Not a head girl, sorry. The head girl is something else. But I was a prefect. I hope you know what that means. I'm not sure how to say it internationally, but I was a prefect. And yeah, that brings me to the end of this Q&A session. I hope you enjoyed getting to know a bit about me. I did enjoy getting to tell you about myself, and I look forward to more videos like this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's something that you would like to see me do on this channel specifically, you can always let me know in the comment section below. And I have something for you. If it is you're from the Caribbean island, Dominica, St. Lucia, any Caribbean island, drop your flag in the comment section below, because we're all a part of Caribbean Stitch Hub. Welcome to the family. I'm so glad to have you here. And even if you're not from the Caribbean, drop your flag. Let me know in the comment section below, which country are you from? And this brings us to the end, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.